journey here has been exactly what I was looking for, in the sense that I really needed a week of deep relaxation. And the way Rich structured the retreat, so we had noble silence in the mornings until 11, and then we could talk and interact in the afternoons, was a really great balance, just to be able to kind of soak into that silence and be more interior in the mornings, but then be able to connect with a really lovely group of people in the afternoons.
This is the second time I've been here, and honestly, I have learned so much more yoga, so much more different things that I can take home and practice in my living room.
So this week I've really had the chance to be curious about certain practices, especially like Qigong.
In essence, I've had an incredible time here. First and foremost, I think I've really learnt about community and sharing, and really developing like deeper, more intimate relationships with everyone who is like going through a similar kind of journey of life.
So the environment here is very supportive. It's absolutely beautiful. From everything like the details of the accommodation, gorgeous pool, rice paddies that you can see in the background here, coconuts falling from time to time.
I think that Rich has been an amazing teacher, helping guide us through various processes to really let go, surrender, be more in our bodies as well. And yeah, I really plan to integrate all of these, or some of these practices back home, and really commit to that. Yeah.
I have met so many inspirational people.
One of the many things has been Rich's ability to give and allow space and permission to explore without necessarily needing to find an answer.
So Rich had this thing where he got us to do a wow pow chow, and what we were grateful for, which was about, the wow was what was something that amazing, or that had really struck us during the day. Pow was something we'd learned, or something that we were working on in ourselves. And the chow was about food, and honestly the food has been outstanding.
I would say definitely join. Understand why it is that you're wanting to come, and just allowing yourself the space to actually to give yourself the time to explore practices with a really supportive teacher and community as well.